Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essential materials and giving Notebooklm a clear job. Upload those 3/8 core documents into one labeled folder so context stays consistent. Once done, tell the model the output you want, summary, action items, or a draft, because precise goals guide better responses. Make sure to include any constraints like word count or recipient tone. This reduces back and forth. You're not wasting time on setup. You're enabling the system to synthesize quickly and accurately for work use. Now you refine the interaction by giving Notebooklm a precise instruction set. Tell it who the audience is, the scope, and the length you expect. This shapes tone and depth. Once it returns an initial draft, point to specific paragraphs or tables for deeper extraction or correction, because targeted prompts yield higher quality outputs. Make sure to use iterative prompts. Request a concise list, then ask for examples or a one-paragraph synopsis. This step converts raw content into usable work artifacts efficiently. Finish by exporting or copying the deliverable into your workflow, and then validate key facts and numbers against the source material. Accuracy matters. Once validated, make final edits for voice and company style. If something is off, don't scrap the session. Reframe your prompt, supply an example of the desired output, or upload the missing context and ask for a focused revision. That troubleshooting approach saves time and turns a good draft into a reliable work product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.